portion of the video is kindly sponsored by my friends over at allnee.com. I have been working with them for quite some time for all my lighting needs. They are like my go-to online lighting source. They have sent me out some string lights to share with you guys, which you have already seen if you've ever hung out with us here on this patio. Summer is right here upon us, and I know if you're like me, you like to hang out outside and you just like a vibe. They are the go-to place for that. Also, if you host special occasions, so you're an entertainer, they have all kinds of lights over on their site. Listen, if they leave me a code, I will leave you a code. I'm going to leave their link down below in the description of this video. Make sure you go and check it out. I've also left my lights up from last year Christmas because we enjoy these lights. We turn them on the different modes and we just let them play because it's a whole vibe. Since summer is right here, you guys, people will be hosting quite a bit this summer, from graduations, people having summer weddings, babies being born, baby showers, just all the things where you will need a nice ambiance or some type of lighting source. Please make sure you go over to allnee.com. Like I said, I will leave the link down below in the description of this video. Look at Remy. Always messing, always trying to get in the footage. I will leave the information down in the description of this video. They are a trustworthy company. Trust me when I tell you that. Great customer service and are just easy to work with. And now back to the rest of the video. Bye.
You know that I want to be good for you. You know that I want to be good for you. I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad. Oh, can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you. I do. But sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see that I'm just being me? Sometimes we're just colliding and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna be mad on things you do. But sometimes I need what's best for me. Sometimes I need what's best, baby, can't you see? Can't be there when you weak. No, no, no. Yes, I want you to be here for me. Of course I want you to be here, don't disappear. Sometimes I need you strong for me. Sometimes I need you strong when I'm on my knees. Oh baby, please. Question your love, I know it's there, and even if we don't agree, I know you care, 'cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. You don't question my love, you know it's there, and even if we don't agree, you know I care, 'cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. It's you and me, unconditional love. You and me, unconditional love. Sometimes we just colliding and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love.